What's better than cream cheese buttercream? Chocolate cream cheese buttercream. Hey everyone, I'm Kara Jane with I Scream for Buttercream, and today we are making chocolate cream cheese buttercream. This stuff is so good. You can put it on cupcakes, layer cakes, or you can just eat it straight out of the bowl. Now, one quick thing to note is that you want to set out your butter and your cream cheese at least an hour before you start to mix this up because you want it to be a little soft. It's easier to mix up that way, but you definitely don't want to microwave it. Okay, let's go make some buttercream. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to add cream cheese. You want it to be room temp in about 12 ounces. That's about a package and a half. Mix it up really well until it's really creamy. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure that's room temperature as well. And mix that up really well with the cream cheese. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and then mix again. And now you're going to add 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix that up really well. And make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl and then mix again. And now you're going to add in 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. You can sift it if you want. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of milk or cream. And you're going to mix that with a hand mixer again. Just mix it up really well. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl, and then we're going to add another 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. And we're going to mix it up again. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix one more time. And at this point you want to check your consistency. If it's too thick, you can add another tablespoon of milk, but just add it in small increments at a time. If it's not thick enough, you want to add in just a little bit more confectioner's sugar, but don't go overboard. And you can use this to pop onto cupcakes, add it to layer cakes, on sheet cakes, or you can just do what I do and eat it straight out of the bowl. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed this one, and I will see you next time.